So as I said, as soon as I get new ones, WWE Action Figures, go ahead and upload it. So today I picked up 3 new ones. These are the basic WrestleMania WWE Undertaker, Roman Reigns, and Chris Jericho. Now this is the old Chris Jericho basic, all 3 of them, and we can start off with the Dead Man here. I do already have the Dead Man from 1993, I believe. There's 2 of them in his American Badass phase. I have that one as well. So we can go ahead and unbox these. Take a look at it. There are 4. I did see Stone Cold Steve Austin on there, but didn't really like his attire, and also not really great, so I didn't pick him up here. So go ahead, take him out of the box here. Again, these are all the basic models. Yeah, this is classic Dead Man game. Might put another robe on him. He is missing an armband already, so which I don't mind because honestly I got a great deal on these. Maybe I fell off, or it was never on there, so I just picked another extra one up. So nope, he's missing an arm. So let's get an armband here for him. So got to find one from another one of the figures that I have. So I'm happy with him. Great. But I add him to the other one. So we'll go ahead and unbox Chris Jericho. As you saw in my other video, I did get the Elite Jericho with his list of Jericho. This is the basic version of him. This is the simple version of him. So go ahead and unbox him next. These are all 3 WrestleMania pairs. So I'll set to the side. Go. I got these for a great steal, so I'm happy about it. So these are the 2 or so far. So go ahead and unbox Roman Reigns. I'm not too big into the newer wrestlers, but a great deal. Can pass that up here. So I normally like collecting the older ones here, but Roman Reigns, the guy, the bad guy, A guy, what do you call him? Pass it out. These are much easier to unbox than the other ones. So go that way. This shield, did this come off? Oh, that's awesome. This one, I wasn't expecting this to come off. So this material feels great. I wasn't expecting that to come on, given that this is a basic version of him. So go ahead, put them all 3 there so you can see. So here we are zoomed in, a little closer, watch his face. Dead Man. It's awesome that he has the Dead Man written on the side. Dead Man Inc. I'm excited about that. Chris Jericho. The knee pads, of course we got Roman Reigns.